Hi, in this video we are going to see float, double, and decimal data types in C# language. So let's get started. Alright, so first we have a float. So in C#, float is a 32-bit single precision floating point type that is sufficient for storing 6 to 7 decimal digits. And this is actually useful when you have space efficiency. You need to write a program which is space efficient, or you need to perform mathematical operations with large number of floats, right? Next we have double data type. It's actually double of float, so it's a 64-bit, so it's a double precision floating point type that is sufficient for storing up to 15 to 16 decimal digits, and this is basically a default choice for floating point values in C# language. Then we have decimal data type. So this decimal data type is double of double data type, which is of 128-bit decimal data type, and this is ideal for financial or monetary calculation where precision is paramount, and this is guarantees the full precision, and decimal is 28 to 29 significant decimal digits. Alright, and always remember that it is a good practice to use double data type unless absolutely necessary for these reasons which I have stated before. So let's code them. So first of all we will go to our terminal, and here we will create a directory using mkdir make directory command project, and we will go to this project directory. And now here we need to create a console app project. To make this project we need to write .NET new console, enter. So right, .NET new console. So our console app was created successfully. Now we will go to our Visual Studio Code and open this program.cs file. Now we will remove this line hello world, and now first we will see float data type. So to create a variable of float data type you need to write float, then name of variable f1 for example. Now if you want to assign a value, for example 1 point something, then you need to write f at the end, or it's an optional choice. If you want to write, then you can write. Otherwise, if you do not want to write f as a suffix, then it's your choice. Now if we create another floating point f2 of like 20 this f. Now if we create another and store this result f1 plus f2, and now print this using console dot write line result is so now let's test this program. So to test this program we need to go to our terminal and then write a command .NET run to run this project. So now you can see its result is 24 point is something. So let's test double and decimal data type also. So to create a double a variable of double data type you need to write double data type double d1 equal to, so in double data type you do not need to write any suffix, double 2 equal to, so here we will create a variable of double result equal to d1 plus d2, and using console dot write line we will print the result double. Next we have a decimal data type, and to create a decimal data type you need to write decimal and here we can write m1 equal to point, and then at the end you need to write a capital M as a suffix. Then we can create a result variable to store the result of this m1 multiply m2, and then using console dot write line we can print the result. So now in order to run this program we need to go to our terminal and then write a command .net run. So here you can see there's an error of result, so we need to go to our Visual Studio and then we need to change its name because we have already defined result before. We need to write result 2, here also result 2, sorry, here result 3, result 3 and result 2, here also result 2, and then this one is result. Now we will go to our terminal again and run this command .net run. Now here you can see this one is float value, this one is double value, and this one is decimal type value. Alright, thank you.